Welcome! In this tutorial, let's explore the practice section in the Extramarks the Learning app. On the home page, click on the Practice tab located at the bottom. Here, you can access practice papers created by the Extramarks academicians. Using the filter function, you can explore specific practice questions by selecting the subject, sub-subject, and chapter. To access an assignment, click on it. Click on View Answer to check the solution. Click on Next to navigate to the next question. Under Score Boosters, you can access the questions to essential concepts. To access any question, simply click on it. Click on the plus icon to view the solution. You can share your favorite questions with your friends by clicking on the share icon. With a simple tap, you can also like or dislike any question. Under recently viewed questions, you can relook and revise the questions which you have checked recently. To bookmark any question for your future reference, click on this icon. At the bottom, you can also access high weightage questions, which include essential content for your exam preparation. Under My Bookmarks, you can access your bookmarked questions anytime by simply clicking on Bookmarked Questions. Under Resume Practice, you can continue and complete your pending practice questions by simply clicking on Resume Now. It's time for you to go ahead and explore the app. Happy learning!